Available immediately. Second floor, 2-bedroom apartment with central air. 2660 Wentworth Street, Wynwood Heights, near Fairmont Park and Philadelphia College of Medicine. This is a second floor apartment with all hardwood floors, dining room with hardwood floor, fully appliance galley kitchen, dishwasher, full-size refrigerator, gas range, plenty of counter space, ample living room and dining area with a private Juliet balcony overlooking a quiet cul-de-sac. This is near City Line Ave in 76. Comes with a garage parking spot and a dedicated washer and dryer just for this apartment in the basement. So it's a second floor apartment, all hardwood floors, 1 tile bath, 2 bedrooms, plenty of closet space, fully appliance kitchen, sunny with a private balcony, linen closet, coat closet, private entrance, and you walk down the common hallway and you have a garage parking spot. Now there's a yard that's shared by the 2 apartments in the building, and plenty of room for a garden, a barbecue, flowers, and you have on-street parking as well. Good roommate apartment, or for a small family. It'll be freshened up, but it's move-in condition. It's available immediately. $940 a month. 802-338-1307. Thank you.